Welcome back to the Greenhorn Travelers channel. Disneyland Paris is a beloved destination that brings the magic of Disney to Europe. Opened in 1992, it has since become a top tourist attraction, drawing millions of visitors each year. The resort comprises two theme parks, Disneyland Park and Walt Disney Studios Park, as well as a variety of hotels, a shopping area called Disney Village, and golf courses. Disneyland Park, often referred to simply as Disneyland Paris, is the main attraction, and it is divided into 5 themed lands: Main Street, USA, Frontierland, Adventureland, Fantasyland, and Discoveryland. As you approach Disneyland Paris, the excitement is palpable. The journey to the park's entrance is accompanied by the sight of the Disneyland Hotel, an iconic Victorian-style building that straddles the entrance, offering a grand and fairy-tale-like welcome. This beautiful hotel, with its pastel pink facade and ornate architecture, sets the tone for the enchanting experience that awaits visitors inside. Upon reaching the entrance, visitors are greeted by a series of elegant arches that frame the entryway, adorned with colorful banners and flags. These arches, along with the meticulously manicured gardens, create a charming prelude to the world of fantasy and adventure beyond. As you pass through the ticket booths, you'll encounter the iconic Mickey Mouse floral arrangement, a classic feature that immediately connects visitors with the beloved Disney character and sets the stage for the magical experience to come. At the beginning of Main Street, USA is Town Square, a delightful hub that welcomes guests with a statue of Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, perfect for photo opportunities. This area also features the Disneyland Railroad Station, a key attraction and a gateway to exploring the rest of the park. The Disneyland Railroad is a classic attraction that takes guests on a scenic journey around the entire Disneyland park. It is not just a mode of transportation but an attraction in its own right, offering a unique perspective on the park's various themed lands. The railroad consists of 4 beautifully restored, turn-of-the-century steam-powered trains that circle the park on a 20-minute journey, with stops at 4 stations: Main Street, USA, Frontierland, Fantasyland, and Discoveryland. The journey begins at the Main Street station, a charming Victorian-style building located at the entrance of the park. The station is adorned with vintage details such as old-fashioned light fixtures, wooden benches, and period-appropriate signage, creating an atmosphere of a bygone era. As guests board the train, the gentle chugging of the steam engine and the sound of the whistle signal the start of a leisurely adventure around the park. As the train departs from Main Street Station, it travels through a tunnel that features a series of dioramas depicting iconic scenes from Disney's animated films. These dioramas, accompanied by the sound of familiar Disney tunes, provide an immersive introduction to the journey. Once through the tunnel, the train emerges into the open, offering a panoramic view of Main Street, USA, and Sleeping Beauty Castle in the distance. This initial stretch of the journey sets the tone for the scenic exploration of the park's themed lands. The train's first stop is Frontierland Station, located in the rugged and adventurous Frontierland. This area of the park is inspired by the American Old West, with its rustic architecture, wooden facades, and frontier-themed attractions. As the train pulls into the station, guests are greeted by the sight of Big Thunder Mountain, the park's iconic roller coaster set in a towering red rock landscape. The station itself is designed to resemble a frontier outpost, complete with wooden beams, barrels, and other rustic details. From here, guests can disembark to explore Frontierland, which offers attractions such as the Rivers of the Far West, the Phantom Manor, and the aforementioned Big Thunder Mountain. The train ride provides a scenic overview of this land, offering glimpses of its attractions and landscapes, making it an excellent way to preview what Frontierland has to offer. The next stop on the Disneyland Railroad is Fantasyland Station, located in the heart of Fantasyland. This land is a whimsical and enchanting realm, inspired by classic Disney fairy tales and animated films. As the train arrives at the station, guests are greeted by the sight of the majestic Sleeping Beauty Castle, the iconic centerpiece of Disneyland Paris. Fantasyland Station is designed to reflect the fairy tale charm of this land, with its turrets, banners, and colorful decor. From here, guests can explore attractions such as It's a Small World, Peter Pan's Flight, and the Mad Hatter's Teacups. The train journey offers a delightful glimpse of Fantasyland's attractions, including a view of the charming Storybook Land canal boats and the whimsical KCJR Circus train. The final stop on the Disneyland Railroad is Discoveryland Station, located in the futuristic and imaginative Discoveryland. This land is inspired by visions of the future and the worlds of science fiction, with attractions based on classic literature and Disney's own imaginative creations. As the train arrives at the station, guests are greeted by the sight of Space Mountain, the park's thrilling indoor roller coaster set in a futuristic landscape. Discoveryland Station is designed with a retrofuturistic aesthetic, featuring sleek lines, metallic finishes, and futuristic elements. From here, guests can explore attractions such as Buzz Lightyear Laser Blast, Star Tours, The Adventures Continue, and the Nautilus Submarine. The train ride provides a unique perspective on Discoveryland, offering views of its futuristic architecture and attractions. As the train completes its journey, it returns to Main Street Station, bringing guests full circle. The Disneyland Railroad is more than just a means of transportation. It is a nostalgic journey that offers a unique perspective on the park's various themed lands. The gentle chugging of the steam engine, the scenic views, and the immersive dioramas make it a must-do attraction for visitors of all ages. Disneyland Paris, with its enchanting entrance and classic attractions like the Disneyland Railroad, captures the magic and wonder that has made Disney a beloved name worldwide. The park's entrance, through the charming Main Street, USA, sets the tone for the fairy tale experience that awaits within. The Disneyland Railroad, with its scenic journey around the park, provides a nostalgic and immersive way to explore the park's themed lands, offering a unique perspective on the magic of Disneyland Paris. Whether it's the quaint charm of Main Street, USA, the adventurous spirit of Frontierland, the whimsical enchantment of Fantasyland, or the futuristic wonders of Discoveryland, Disneyland Paris offers a magical experience that delights visitors of all ages, making it a must-visit destination for Disney fans and theme park enthusiasts alike.